Once you finish gathering all of your sources, you're going to want to use them to create what is called a Works Cited page. Fortunately, NoodleTools makes this really easy. So to create your Works Cited page, you are going to go into your project, and hopefully you have a few more sources than I have here in my example. And you are going to click this rectangular icon with the arrow. So if you hover over it, it should say Export and Print. And when you click that, you're going to get several options. So you can, in the future, post this to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Word Online. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to export to Google Docs. So it's going to ask you what you want to export or print, and we are going to select all sources. And then it will ask you to choose an account to sign into NoodleTools, so select your school account. And this is going to create a Works Cited page for you. So again, when you are finished, you are going to have way more sources than this. And just like any other Google Doc, you have the option to change the title of the page up here if you would like to call this something else. And for purposes of MLA, you are also going to click before this page number up here, and you are going to type in your last name. And so that is how you make a completed Works Cited page using NoodleTools.